Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your quiz form or survey in any language. So if you don't have a quiz, then you can start from here and you can build your quiz from scratch. Once you have your quiz, you can go intro page. Here you can write your intro page title, description and button in any language you want. Same way, all your questions and answers have text input and text area where you can write your question answers in any language you want. Now there are few elements that comes from the design language settings. So those elements are here under the language. As you can see, here are all those inputs we have provided, so you can easily replace them and rewrite them into your own language. Also, we have provided few ready-made settings for different popular languages. Like if you switch to German, then all the values are here will be replaced into a German language. So you can just click save and publish your quiz into any of your language. If you want to see this quiz, then just go to this link and you can see the quiz is now in German language and all the elements are converted into a German language. This way you can build any quiz or form in any language you want. Please feel free to reach out to our support if you need any help. Thanks for watching.